Can I just get a round of applause for myself? I just want to pat myself in the back. Okay, so if you see a crazy red-headed Asian lady on the street in Montreal, it's me. Hey guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Mukbang is an eating show, so we're gonna eat together and we're gonna chat. So if that is your thing, then don't forget to subscribe. And of course, thumbs up this video if you haven't already. So as you can see here, I have yet another feast in front of me. I am super excited. It is carbs on carbs, my favorite thing. And we have some fire noodles, and yes, these are vegan where I live. What I find is that with instant noodles, it just depends on where things are manufactured and where things are sold, whether or not it is vegan. Even if it's the same brand, I would just check the ingredients list. This is technically vegan where I live. These are the Samyang fire noodles that are super famous. They are Korean. You guys know the type, okay? The famous fire noodles, the spicy noodles, So I'm super excited about this. And then I've got here in front of me, I probably won't finish, okay? But I ordered 2 burgers from KFC. These are the KFC plant-based chicken burgers, which I've had on my channel before. And I also got some fries and all that jazz. Now, the reason why I got 2 is just because I wanted, like, I don't know, I feel weird when I don't order that much on delivery. Like, I feel like I need to order like sufficient amount to make the delivery worth it. So I'm probably gonna save one. Let's see what happens, okay? To be honest, I can probably eat a lot, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna get some ketchup up in here. Okay, ooh. To drink, you guys, I have Coke Zero, which doesn't usually happen. I normally have bubbly, as you guys know, but I stopped by the store and I had my hands full and I didn't want to get like a big case of bubbly and carry it. Anyway, that's why I got the Coke. Okay, normally I would have bubbly, but you know what? I also thought we might as well switch things up. So we have some Coke Zero. I'm just gonna pour it into some ice. Very nice. Ooh, very, very carbonated. Oh, no! Okay. Oh, it is delish. Okay, I don't know what to start with. I think I'm gonna start with a bite of the burger, actually. Let's start with a bite of the vegan chicken burger. The KFC vegan chicken burger. I haven't had that since when I filmed that last video. The fries are a little soggy, but fries are good no matter what. Even if they're bad, they're good, right? These are kind of bad though, not gonna lie. Anyway, now we have, you know what? I'm gonna close this up. Okay. Noodles. I wanted to have this combination for so long. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. All right, guys. These are fire noodles. Let's have a bite of just the noodles. Hopefully I don't die of the spice. Whew. That's an immediate kick. I really wanted to do this. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. You guys, how are we? How are we? I am doing fantastic. I'm eating some delicious food, filming a YouTube video, living the dream. You know what I did today, guys? I'm just gonna brag for a second, okay? It has been a crazy few weeks. I've been working like a dog. Okay. My cafe has been very busy. We've been a bit understaffed. I'm working on it. I'm currently training new staff. It's been a bit crazy. So I've been working basically day and night. Okay, here's the reality. Some people ask me what it's like to like own your own business, own your own cafe. The thing is, it is great in so many ways. And it's also really hard work in a lot of ways, because the fact is that when you have like, you know, a fully trained and competent staff and you have people working for you and you have lots of customers, everything's fantastic, everything is great. But the fact is that when you own a business, not everything's gonna be great all the time. There's gonna be times when you're understaffed. There's gonna be times when there's no customers. There's gonna be times when you're overstaffed. There's gonna be times when you are the only person working because somebody called in sick or something, right? The fact is, this is your own business. Nobody is gonna care as much as you when it is your own business. So you might get really lucky and hire someone that's really fantastic, but there's no guarantee they're gonna stay. And they're still not gonna care as much as you because this is your business. So there's gonna be times when you're gonna have to work like, you know, morning and night, like what I'm doing right now. So it's not always gonna be, you know, I mean, it's never really glamorous. Like, I don't know, like it's not glamorous. There's definitely some really great things about owning your own business, but there's also some really difficult things. Right now, it's been just a lot of working. I've been working like literally like morning and night. It's been very long days. So I don't know why I'm telling you this. I think the reason why I'm telling you this is because right now I'm really enjoying just like downtime because I haven't been able to get downtime. So right now I'm literally just like, all I look forward to is just like going to bed early and relaxing. Like if I have an evening, even just like a couple hours in the evening to like relax, I'm like, just give me that. So this is gonna be my day or my evening tonight. So I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna eat some good food, chat with you guys, and then I'm just gonna maybe do a little cleanup and then just relax for about at least an hour or 2 hours before going to bed. So I'm excited about that. Okay, but I do wanna brag about something after I take this bite, okay? I'm gonna take this long, big bite. Come on. Ooh, noodles and burger. Mmm. 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 What I want to brag about, guys, is that I just ran. Today I went for a long run and I ran 18 kilometers. Okay? Can I just get a round of applause for myself? I just want to pat myself in the back. Okay? 18 kilometers, guys. That's my record. Before, my record was 15 kilometers. Before that was 14. So the reason why I'm running these long distances is because I am training. If you don't know, I'm training for a half marathon, which is now literally approaching in 2 weeks. It's gonna be in 2 weeks. I'm not prepared. Well, I mean, now I'm prepared. I feel prepared. Noodles. Mm. God. How do people slurp noodles so efficiently? I don't understand. Mmm. Mmm. So I'm supposed to run a half marathon in 2 weeks, and I was definitely worried because I haven't been training too much. So I was like, oh my God, I don't know if I can make it. So that's why today I wanted to do 18 kilometers, just so I can get my body used to it. And I feel like the fact that I did 18 makes me feel a lot more confident. Mm. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. in 2 weeks. So if you don't know, a half marathon is around, I believe it's a little over 21 kilometers. So I think I'm gonna be okay. A few concerns though, a few concerns. Let me just tell you. Got some plant-based milk. Whew. Remember when people used to do like the spicy noodle challenge? And now like people are just so good at eating spicy noodles. I'm like, how do you even do it? Hold on. It's actually so spicy. It's hitting me. Anyway, a few concerns about this half marathon. Whew. Number one, my friend's wedding is the day after. No, the day before. My friend's wedding is the day before the half marathon. Oh, I think that's my main concern. I don't want to sound like an alcoholic, but like I've never been to a wedding where I like don't drink. So, I mean, that's half the fun of the wedding, okay? So yeah, I've told myself I will have 2 drinks max. And I will do it earlier in the night so that I'm not like drunk at night. Yeah, that's my first concern. My second concern, it's kind of early in the morning. It's like 7:30 and like I wake up pretty early. That's not the issue. My issue is, and I'm sorry if you're eating and you have a sensitive stomach, but my issue is bowel movements. When am I gonna have time? Anyway. Oh my gosh. If any of you guys have ever run a half marathon or a marathon, any tips would be appreciated. Yeah, so concern number 1, wedding the night before. Concern number 2, bowel movements. Oh, and my third concern, which is less of a concern today now. Oh, this is spicy. My third concern is my legs getting really tired. So now I've actually built up my cardio to the point where I can run, because I mean, I don't run fast, right? Like I run at a good pace. So my cardio is pretty good in terms of like, I don't get super out of breath when I'm running. So I can run for a long time without getting out of breath. My problem is my legs get tired. Oh, my mouth. Whew. These noodles are not for the faint-hearted, let me just tell you. The thing is, they are so delicious. I wish I could make them slightly less spicy. And what's crazy is these are just the regular kind. They have like the 2 times more spicy, which is like, I seriously don't know how people can eat that and enjoy it because, whew, this is already killing me. And another piece of very exciting news. I am going on a trip. Although right now it's a bit of a crazy time to go, but I will be going to Montreal next week. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe. By the time this video comes out, it'll be like 2 days before Montreal. Oh my gosh. So if you see a crazy redheaded Asian lady on the street in Montreal, it's me. Okay, so say hi if you do see me, if you are in Montreal. And guys, leave me some suggestions. Where should I eat? You know, this is the most important thing to me. I did go to Montreal, oh my gosh, so long ago. It's been, I think, 10 years. It's literally been 10 years. Oh my gosh, it's actually been 10 years. So I'm going with my friend Daniel, of course. The other half of the SaVeg podcast. We are going together. We did go together the first time as well. 10 years ago. Can't believe it. Maybe I'll find some pictures and put them in here. So we went, actually, when I first started becoming pescatarian. So I did eat at a place called Au Vive. And I think they're still around. So I'll probably go back there. And I can't remember where else I ate. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on where we should eat, what we should do, let us know. Hopefully things are not crazy over there. God, what a crazy time. What a crazy time. Anyway, I definitely cannot get started on that second burger. That is for sure, guys. I'm gonna put it in the freezer, save it for a rainy day. Seriously, I wish they made these noodles slightly less spicy, or at least a less spicy version. Because they are tasty, but they are a little painful to eat. Not gonna lie. Okay? Whew. You guys, I really hope you are still enjoying these mukbang videos. Let me know below, guys. Are you enjoying these? Okay. Is there anything you want me to, you know, talk about in these mukbang videos? I feel like half the time I just kind of talk about whatever comes to my mind, which, I mean, I don't mind. Hope you don't mind that, but yeah, let me know if there's anything specific you want me to talk about. And ooh, my mouth is ice. Anyway. So yeah, I'll be in Montreal, you guys. So if you are in Montreal, let me know in the comments. And also if you see me in Montreal, come say hi. That'd be so cool. And of course, let me know where I should eat because the food is very important to me, okay? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and eating with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, as always, give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more mukbang videos. If you do enjoy mukbang videos or other vegan related videos and recipe videos, make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!